Class 10. Subject Science Biology. Chapter 5. Life Processes. Topic to be learned in this video: Excretion. Excretion. During the metabolic process, nitrogenous materials is formed which needs to be removed. The process involved in the removal of these harmful nitrogenous waste materials from the body is called excretion. Unicellular organisms remove these wastes by simple diffusion from body surface into surrounding water. Complex multicellular organisms use specialized organs for excretion. Excretion in human beings. The excretory system of human beings, see figure, includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Kidneys are located in the abdomen, one on either side of the backbone. Urine produced in the kidneys passes through the ureters into the urinary bladder where it is stored until it is released through the urethra. How is urine produced? The purpose of making urine is to filter out waste products from the blood. In the kidneys, nitrogenous wastes such as urea or uric acid are removed from blood. Each kidney has large numbers of filtration units called packed close together. At the end of each nephron, a cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule is seen. In glomerulus, blood is filtered and the Bowman's capsule collects the filtrate. Glucose, amino acids, salts, major amount of water in the initial filtrate are selectively reabsorbed as the urine flows along the tube. The urine from each kidney enters a long tube, ureter, which then passes to urinary bladder and stored in it. As the bladder expands, pressure increases that leads to the urge to urinate through the urethra. The bladder is muscular, so it is under nervous control. As a result, we can control the urge to urinate. Artificial kidney hemodialysis. Kidney failure leads to accumulation of poisonous wastes in the body. In this case, an artificial kidney is used. It is a device to remove nitrogenous wastes from the blood through dialysis. Artificial kidneys contain many semi-permeable tubes suspended in a tank filled with dialysing fluid. It has same osmotic pressure of blood, but no nitrogenous wastes. When patient's blood is passed through these tubes, the waste products from blood diffuses into dialysing fluid. The purified blood is pumped back into the patient. This is similar to the function of the kidney, but there is no reabsorption involved. Organ donation. Organ donation is a generous act of donating an organ to a person who suffers from non-function of organ. Donation of an organ may be done by the consent of the donor and his/her family. Anyone regardless of age or gender can become an organ and tissue donor. Transplantation is required when recipient's organ has been damaged or failed by disease or injury. In organ transplantation, the organ is surgically removed from one person, organ donor, and transplanted to another person, recipient. Most organ and tissue donations occur just after the death or brain death of the donor. But some organs, kidney, part of a liver, lung, etc., and tissues can be donated while the donor is alive. Excretion in plants. Plants use completely different strategies for excretion than those of animals. Oxygen itself can be thought of as a waste product generated during photosynthesis. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, and excess water are removed by transpiration. Many other waste products are stored in vacuoles. Waste products may be stored in leaves that fall off. Some waste products are stored as resins and gums, especially in old xylem. Plants also excrete some waste substances into the soil around them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.